Best electric hunting bikes. As more hunters turn toward efficient, quiet, and rugged transportation, the demand for the best electric hunting bikes has grown rapidly. These powerful e-bikes offer smooth off-road performance, long-lasting durability, and impressive stealth in the wild. In this guide, we evaluate each model based on motor type, build quality, battery performance, handling, overall layout, and value for money, helping you choose the perfect ride for rugged terrain, long hunts, and reliable outdoor adventure.
Product number 1. Ice and Wheel Electric Bike for Adult. The Ice and Wheel Electric Bike for Adults stands out as an excellent entry-level option for hunters who want durability and convenience without an overly premium price tag. Built with a strong frame and equipped with a robust brushless motor, this bike provides steady acceleration ideal for trails and uneven terrain. Its long-range battery offers impressive mileage per charge, allowing users to explore hunting grounds without constant power concerns. The fat tires deliver enhanced traction, especially in mud, sand, or loose dirt, making it practical for real-world wilderness conditions. Comfort is another highlight, thanks to its ergonomic layout, including a well-padded saddle and shock-absorbing fork that reduce fatigue on long rides. The intuitive display and control interface simplify adjustments while riding. Although best suited for moderate off-road environments, the Ice and Wheel bike delivers strong value, reliability, and versatility, perfect for hunters who want performance without stretching their budget.
Product number 2. Hoverfly Araya 26-inch Electric Bike. The Hoverfly Araya 26-inch electric bike offers a more robust build for riders who need strength and power on challenging hunting terrain. Featuring a powerful motor and smooth shifting gearing, it handles steep hills and forest paths with ease. The bike's oversized wheels and thick off-road tires give excellent stability, making it ideal for navigating rocky trails and unpredictable landscapes common in hunting areas. Its battery capacity is well designed for longer trips, reducing downtime and extending coverage deep into the woods. The sturdy frame enhances load capability, allowing users to transport gear while maintaining balance. Additionally, its front suspension and premium braking system contribute to a safer riding experience, especially when descending slopes or maneuvering tight areas. With superior durability and strong performance, the Hoverfly Araya is a smart match for hunters who value ruggedness and reliability over lighter, commuter-focused designs. Product number 3. ebike EB26 Electric Bike. The ebike EB26 electric bike is built with power riders in mind, offering a high-torque system that's ideal for hunters traveling across rugged wilderness. Its thick, fat tires provide exceptional grip, supporting travel over soft or uneven ground like tall grass, mud, or snow. The upgraded dual suspension system boosts comfort and handling, making long trips easier on the body. A standout feature is its extended battery range and fast charging system, ensuring reliable performance even on multi-hour hunting excursions. The strong frame architecture supports additional gear, while its advanced braking system improves stopping power in unpredictable field conditions. The EB26 digital display and rider-friendly controls make operations simple, and its overall ergonomic design enhances maneuverability despite its muscular build. Practical, powerful, and durable, the ebike EB26 is a top pick for hunters needing maximum performance and dependable endurance.
Product number 4. Pucky Puppy Electric Bike for Adults. The Pucky Puppy Electric Bike for Adults balances comfort, power, and versatility, making it a suitable choice for hunters wanting a well-rounded e-bike. Its powerful motor provides smooth acceleration, while the lithium battery supports extended rides through forest trails or wide-open fields. The bike's fat tire configuration enhances traction and stability, key benefits for off-road hunting trips. Riders will appreciate its shock absorption system, which reduces vibrations on rocky or uneven terrain. The frame is crafted for durability, yet maintains a manageable weight, improving portability when scouting or transporting the bike. Its streamlined control layout and clear digital display allow for quick adjustments on the move. While not as aggressive as some heavy-duty models, the Pucky Puppy excels as a flexible, dependable option for hunters who want capability without extreme bulk. It provides excellent value for daily riding, off-road travel, and reliable field performance.
Product number 5. Jayceon X Hunter Foldable Electric Bike. The Jayceon X Hunter Foldable Electric Bike is a unique pick for hunters who need power and portability in one package. Its foldable design makes it easy to transport in vehicles, ATVs, or storage areas, a big advantage for hunters moving across multiple locations. Despite its compact frame, the X Hunter is equipped with a strong motor and fat tires that deliver stability on rugged terrain. Its high-capacity battery supports long-distance rides, and the advanced suspension absorbs shocks effectively when navigating bumpy trail paths. The sturdy build ensures durability even when carrying additional hunting equipment. With responsive brakes and an easy-to-read display, control and safety remain top priorities. What makes this model particularly appealing is its blend of flexibility and performance. It's an excellent choice for hunters wanting a portable e-bike without sacrificing off-road capability, making the Jayceon X Hunter a standout in the foldable category.